Now let's look at this bird. First, look at the finished part. It uses many different stitches. For example, this circle. And the wing outline uses stem stitch to outline the edges. This can be shown with straight stitch. This can use lazy daisy stitch. This uses straight stitch. Stitch 5 lines, combining into a flower shape. These small circles can be like this one, stitched with French knots as accents. Here also uses lazy daisy. This part can use woven wheel rows, like this. Stitch a dimensional rose. Bottom part uses fern stitch. The leaf stitch we just learned. This belly area uses fly stitch for embroidery. Let's demonstrate. First, let's stitch its outer border. Use color 13, 3 strands for top line. Bring up in front of the eye. Stitch a small stitch forward. Don't pull tight. Bring up at center position. Continue stitching forward. Don't pull tight. Bring up at previous stitch point. Follow stem stitch method. To complete this line, when stitching, always bring up on same side. This creates the twisted rope effect. Keep stitch spacing and length consistent. Take down. Use another color. For wing outline, making colors more rich, use color 14, 3 strands. Bring up at bottom. Stitch forward, connecting with the previous outline. Don't pull tight. Bring up at center. Continue stitching forward. Bring up at previous stitch point. Follow this method. Stitch this line too. Use same thread, bring up here. Stitch forward. Take down. After finishing, stitch these straight lines. Use color 12, 2 strands. Bring up at one end of line. Take down at other end. Using straight stitch, stitch all these patterns. Take down. Let's look at the finished result. Now let's stitch the belly fly stitch. Use color 3, 4 strands. Bring up at upper left of pattern. Take down at upper right. Don't pull tight. Bring up where 2 lines cross, creating a V-shaped pattern. Stitch a small stitch below, showing wing shape. Once more. Bring up at upper left. Take down upper right. Don't pull tight. Bring up at center, creating V-shaped letter. Stitch a short stitch, becoming small wing. Follow these steps to complete remaining patterns. This stitch explained in detail in video 2. You can watch and learn there. Take down. Let's look at the finished result. Now let's stitch this lazy daisy. Use color 7, 6 strands. You can see a small circle in center. We'll add French knots later, so leave it for now. First stitch outer lazy daisy. Bring up here. Go back down at same spot. Don't pull tight. Bring up at top here. Take down along outer border. Follow these steps to stitch all remaining lazy daisy. Take down can be like this one. Stitch 1 straight stitch in each petal, making petals look fuller. Use same color. Bring up here. Take down at bottom here. Stitch one straight line in each petal. Take down along bottom. After finishing, bring needle up at center. Wrap thread twice around needle. Point toward center and take down. Pull thread slowly. Let's look at the finished result. Use same color 7, 4 strands. To stitch this lazy daisy too, bring up. Same spot take down. Take down along outer outline. Stitch this side too. Here like this one. Stitch with straight stitch. Use same color thread. Bring up here. Stitch small stitch at center point. Stitch other 4 stitches too. Let's look at the finished result. Small circles remain above. Large circles and fern stitch below. First stitch small circles. Use color 13, 4 strands for these two. Bring up at circle center. Wrap thread twice around needle. Point toward center and take down. Follow these steps. To stitch remaining circles. Can also change color. Change to color 11, 4 strands. Bring up here. Wrap thread twice around needle. Take down. Change to color 14, 4 strands. For these two below. Making colors more rich. Can also change to color 7, 4 strands. For these 3 below. Now look at this top position. Using fern stitch method. Bring up at upper left. Go back to cross point. Bring up from upper right. Back to cross point, take down. Bring needle to bottom cross point. Take down at previous cross point. Creating connected state. Follow these steps. To complete this line, take down. Let's look at the finished result. Let's look at this pattern. Stitch a dimensional woven wheel rose. Use color 11, 6 strands. You can see 5 lines here. First stitch these 5 foundation lines. As a base, bring up here. Stitch straight line to center. Stitch remaining 4 foundation lines. After stitching 5 foundation lines, bring up between 2 foundation lines. Bring needle over first foundation line. Pass under second foundation line. Bring over third foundation line. Pass under fourth foundation line. Over fifth foundation line. Pass under first foundation line. Follow this weaving pattern. Over 1 foundation line. Under 1 foundation line. Following this pattern to weave. Weave slowly. Take down here. A dimensional woven wheel rose is complete. Can add French knot at center as accent. Use color 14, 4 strands. Bring up at center. Wrap thread twice around needle. Point toward center and take down. Don't pull thread too tight, or French knot will sink inside. Then you won't see it. So pull looser here. Let's look at this finished bird. Project 03 is completely demonstrated. Let's look at the overall finished result.